I saw him light up. You can catch him that good.
Communicate plans. Communicate plans. By doing that.
He went on.
Look, I got 2 woods on 2 sides.
Yeah, he got on the outside, didn't he? There, I saw him light up.
Me too. Where's Kyla? No. He's gone.
Saw him leave. There's a bunch out here now, though.
Hiya! Gotcha.
Did you get him again?
Yeah.
There's a bunch out here now.
Yeah, a bunch. Oh no, another one. Where is he? He's on my hair. Is there one on my hair?
Yes.
Ah! Is he biting me?
No. They're just little lightning bugs. He might light up in your hair.
Is he lighting them with my hair? Let him get off!
That's all right.
Let him get off! I would let him get off.
You want me to get him off for you? Hold on.
Is he gone? Hey, Dad, they can make pretty quick pets. Yeah, I'm trying to find them. I'm stepping on water balls. Hey!
Did you get one?
No. No. Can't leave.
Right here.
I stepped on some.
Hey, here's one.
I stepped on some lightning bugs. There's one on my feet right now. And he's dead.
Look at this.
Hi! Come back here, you! Come back here, you, buddy! Come back! Judgy. Where is he? Where is he?
Huh?
I can help you, Robin. Ah! Hey, get off of me!
I sure did, buddy.